Hello, welcome to Inner GPS Gurus. Today I am going to announce about our Kundalini workshop that we are conducting in Bangalore. This video is an informational video for those who are either living in and around Bangalore or in India and they want to meet us and have the physical Shaktipat session as well as healing coaching and psychic reading from us. Now, this is going to be a one-to-one workshop in which you will be meeting IGG Sanju, that is me, co-founder of Inner GPS Gurus, and IGG Avdut, founder of Inner GPS Gurus. Both of us will be conducting this session, and in the session, I will do your psychic reading, means I have that clairvoyance power to read your energies, to read your kundalini, to diagnose your blockages, all the blockages in your energy channels, in your chakra, or anything related to your body, mind and spirit. I get access to the real diagnosis of yours when I am in the, means you are in the energy field in which we are, and we have that powers to not only diagnose you but to answer all your questions, giving you a clarity, and that comes under the coaching session. Also, I have the powers to heal your energies, heal your blockages, heal your chakras, heal your energy channels, and the most important part of this workshop is your Kundalini moves with my Kundalini Shakti. As soon as you come in contact with me physically and you get tuned to my energy by surrendering to the Guru, that is me, my powerful Shakti, Kundalini Shakti, starts moving your Kundalini, and that is what is required in your Kundalini awakening journey, in your spiritual awakening journey. Most of the blockages that you are facing is due to karmic blockages, and those are carried forward in your system from millions of births. Only divine power can move those energies, and if you are a true spiritual seeker, then you must be aware of the powerful impact of the Guru's Shaktipat, Guru's healing energies in the physical interaction with the Guru. The second part comes when all your mind's questions are answered, the coaching is done, and your reading is done. The next part is about integrating your energies. You are disintegrated, and that's why you are facing all the challenges. Now, to integrate the energies, IGG Avdut's powerful Shaktipat works like magic. It works like laser focused, universal transmission of Shakti energy in you to integrate all your energies. IGG Avdut Shaktipat is more about energy work that he does to clear all your chakras very dynamically. You cannot take action on your own because you are in your embodied ego. Your ego doesn't want to leave you. You cannot experience the state of enlightenment free from the body-mind identification. And Avdut's energy work is to free you from you. More about it I will discuss in the coming videos, and you will be aware of the energetic impact of IGG Avdut's energy on your system. If you want to get transformed, then only you will surrender. But if you want to stay with yourself, identification with the limited you, then you will find a kind of resistance, and that resistance is the blockage. Especially those who are in their crown chakra, those of you whose Kundalini is in the crown chakra, they get the highest resistance from the ego. So if you are not getting free despite Kundalini being in your crown chakra or third eye, understand that you need a guru to pull you out of yourself and free you from the limited I. We have so far given workshop to thousands of people, and everyone has benefited from our Shaktipat in different ways, in unique ways. Those who are going through Kundalini awakening, they experience shift in their energies, they experience shift in their awareness and consciousness. And those who are not going through Kundalini awakening experience the healing impact of this powerful divine energy, which heal some of the most diseases or the blockages that have not been healed by any medications or any other therapies. The healing impact of energy transmission is beyond your mind's logic. You can have the benefits of our Shaktipat from me when I say it is more about healing, and when it comes to Avdut, IGG Avdut, it is more about the Shakti working in you, for you, to heal you from the subtlest layer of your energy channels, your chakras. He takes you to the state of Samadhi in the session itself when you are fully surrendered to Him. Surrender to the power, surrender to the Shiva. He has the highest powers. He is energy vortex himself. For your understanding, even I take Shaktipat from IGG Avdut, and my energy shoots up whenever I get that opportunity and the gift of taking Shaktipat from such a powerful man, from such a powerful God. We are not into any esoteric experiences. We are practical people, professional people. So those who are going through Kundalini and you are a true seeker, throughout the world, wherever you are, you can contact us and meet us, because we are conducting this Shaktipat not only in Bangalore. This is an announcement for Bangalore, but wherever we go, we announce the dates, and in whichever city you are, you can contact us and meet us and take the Shaktipat. More clarity on this, individual has individual problems. Remember that the journey is individual. It cannot be solved in a group who are going through similar issues. It is not similar issues. Your Kundalini Shakti is in you, and it has given you specific challenges, unique challenges to overcome, so that you emerge into a new man or a new individual and become powerful in the process. More about it, you can contact us. Our email address is given in the description, and have clarity on any questions you have regarding the workshop sessions. Don't suffer anymore. This is what I want to share through this video, and get yourself healed and process Kundalini in a beautiful way, in a graceful way. Come with a learner's attitude and you will get the highest. You cannot ignore the importance of Guru in this journey. And if you are intelligent enough, you will understand what I mean to say. That's all for today. Have a great day and take care of yourself. Meet you soon. Thank you.